Hi, I'm Christina, a solo traveler who explores the world with her trusted plastic circles in hand. Me and my hoops go everywhere together, and this trip is no different. After one of my longest travel days to date, I have found myself in the beautiful country of Poland. Yesterday, I took a day trip to the adorable little village of Zalipie, but now I'm back in the city, ready to explore. I'm excited to see what the lively city of Krakow has to offer. Since it was my first time in Poland, I decided to book a private tour through the website Show Around. It was my first time using this service and I absolutely have no complaints. My tour guide covered everything from cathedrals to castles, rooftop bars to secret potions, and everything in between. But by far, the favorite part of my day was when we randomly stumbled upon the Perogi festival. Hey everybody, I am here with Maya. She has been an amazing tour guide all day, and we've walked into the annual Perogi festival. Really exciting. There's about 20 booths here, and each one of them has tons of different types of pierogies. We started with our first one, which is sweet, mostly sweet. Some are savory. We have a beetroot and goat cheese, strawberry. What's the other one? We had a raspberry and white chocolate.
Apple
and vodka, and a traditional ruské.
Yes.
She's really been helping me on my pronunciation of my Polish. It's great. That's like half the reason I wanted a guide. So it's tough.
Okay, definitely worth. Oh, and then you can add pork and no, not enough vegetarian.
We are here for round 2. We got 4 new dumplings here. It's spinach?
Yeah, they're great.
What was the other ones we got? I can't remember. Broad bean, yes. Broad bean and
mushrooms with sauerkraut.
There we go.
So kapusta kiszona.
So we got mushroom with sauerkraut, broad bean, and spinach, and then we also got a samosa because Maya has never had a samosa before, and they're delicious. So now we're gonna try to dig it.
Okej, jeden z krusztywkiem i jeden pomidorowy. Super. I to chyba tyle.
Okay.
A drugi złotości.
I thought of my head. Dobrze.
Dziękuję.
Dziękuję. Here with Maya for round 3. We have 3 pierogies here. One is ruské, which is the traditional one because the first one we had was not good. So I decided to try another one. Then we also have oscypek and brędza. I knew she was going to help me on this one. Oscypek and brędza, and then the third one, which is a tomato and cottage cheese.
Quickly mentioned that it's first recipe. Okay, this consists smacznego and just soak with it.
stuffing my face at the Perogi festival, I took a quick Uber ride outside of the city center to Krakus mound, which is by far the best place in the city to catch the sunset. So I'm sitting up here at the top of the mound, and I don't know if you noticed, but I see somebody spinning a staff, and now I have to go say hi, because, you know, flow artists, no matter where you are in the world, you got to connect with each other. So hopefully he won't think that I'm too weird running up to him and being like, "You're amazing." Let's go see.